To set up your voicemail on your Assurance Wireless phone, dial 86 from your phone. Follow the automated prompts to create a 4 to 10-digit PIN for security. Next, record a personal greeting of up to 30 seconds or choose the default greeting. With setup complete, customize notification options. If this is your first time setting up voicemail, the system will guide you through each step. Remember, your PIN protects your messages, and if forgotten, you can reset it via the Assurance Wireless app or by calling customer service at 1-888-8-ASSIST with account verification. To retrieve messages, dial *86 from your Assurance Wireless phone, enter your PIN, and listen to your messages. On compatible smartphones, use visual voicemail apps like Verizon Messages to display transcripts. When retrieving, you can save, delete, or forward messages. Be mindful of message limits, with up to 40 messages storable. If encountering issues, ensure you're within a service area and try resetting the network by dialing *228. To change voicemail settings, access voicemail via *86 and select option 3.